Stop thinking you need a massive budget to break into digital marketing. You can literally discover how to kickstart your digital marketing journey with zero money. Here is exactly how to do it from scratch. First, the blueprint. Forget expensive software. All you need is an internet connection. And of course, you'll need a social media account to reach your audience. And a compelling niche. Pick one topic you love, like finance, fitness, or fashion. Now, the action. Set up a free business page on TikTok or Instagram. Craft engaging content that solves a problem. And target your audience organically by talking directly to their needs. Boom. You're officially in business. To scale up without spending a dime, use trending hashtags, collaborate with other creators in your niche, and post consistently to boost your visibility. Algorithm love is completely free. Watch your audience grow as you apply these low-cost, high-impact strategies. It takes effort, not cash. What's stopping you from starting today? Share your journey in the comments, ask your questions, and follow at fikkyfinance for more free digital marketing tips. Links in bio to start today.
Thanks for watching Ficky Finance, where we grow your money and your mindset. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights that move you forward. See you in the next video. Stay inspired, stay financially smart.